All right, so we're gonna get our supper going here. As soon as that fire burns out a little bit, we're gonna get our Juicy Lucy going. But with the cheese inside the Juicy Lucy, I wanted to incorporate some mushrooms and onions sauteed in butter. So we're gonna do that first. And then while those are sauteing, we will start making the Juicy Lucy in the Juicy Lucy maker. I need to show you a cast iron pan that my brother got me. Look at the long wooden handle so you can stick it in a fire over the flames. Got a lid that fits perfectly. Love it. So we're going to put that here and get those sauteing. And then while that's going on, we're going to make our Juicy Lucy. Elk burger. That patty up. That's going to go right inside there, like so. And then you take this thing and you squish it down in there, make a little pocket. That pocket's going to be for the cheese and the mushrooms and onions. If I can get it off of there. If we can get it off of there, there we go. So that's going to be patty number 1. So cheese is going to go inside patty number 1. I think that's enough. And then as soon as the mushrooms and onions are done, they're going to go in on top of that, and then patty number 2 is going to go on top of that. And then that will go in the fry pan and on the fire. I'd say those are ready. So, now I'm not a pro at this now, so kind of experimenting. We've used this little Juicy Lucy machine a couple times at the house over the years, not very many. I'm just going to put a few of these in here, right on top of that cheese. Maybe I should use a fork. I'm not sure how it's going to turn out, but I do know it's going to taste good. I don't know what it's going to look like, but it should taste good. So we're going to make another patty. Let's pat that down a little bit maybe. We're going to make another patty and put that right on top of there. And it looks like there's going to be a little left over for Bruce. Oh, there you got a little piece, didn't you, Bruce? And I don't think I'm doing this quite right. I'm not using the machine, if you want to. Is it a machine? What do you call it? The apparatus. Let's call it an apparatus. Here's elk burger. Compliments of my son Caleb. Grass-fed, organic. You know it. All right, so let's put this on top of there. I can already tell the challenge, because this is going to be a lot of hamburger, thick, a lot of hamburger. The challenge is going to be to cook it without getting it too hot in this pan and getting it cooked done. Now, if my brother was here, he'd probably eat it like that. He likes his a little rare. He would probably pull this out of here, put it on a bun, and eat it. Wouldn't he, Bruce? Okay, so what do we got? Okay, so you push it through. I'm trying to remember how you do this. You take this off of there. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. So that's going to be thick. Wow. You can see the mushrooms coming out the side. Okay, getting a little excited. This is going in here, and this lid's going on top. Got a little leftover elk burger. Oh yes. Oh yeah, she likes that. Boy. Let's check up on our burger here. I did flip it once already. It's looking like she's getting done. And the fire, I'm just trying to keep it so it doesn't get too hot. So what I like to do is I like to take these little sticks and just keep feeding these little sticks in here. Try to control the heat best as possible. So I'm thinking this thing's got to be done. How do you tell? Well, let's cut into it, I guess, and see if it's not raw. If it's not raw, we're eating it. Oh yeah, she's done. Beautiful. Okie dokie. Let's get Lucy out of here. Look at the bun. That should be good. Okay, so I got a little sriracha. Put that on top for a little kick. In the meantime, we're gonna warm this little snack up for Bruce. I know he would eat it cold. He likes it cold. He wouldn't mind at all, but just think he might like a warm snack tonight. It's starting to cool off a little bit. Put that on there for him. All right. Let's adjust the camera here. There I am. Juicy Lucy. This is going to be juicy. And Lucy. It's as good as it looks. The onions, mushrooms, cheese, and the juice. Really good. Better than I thought it was going to turn out, actually. Bruce is looking up all my drippings. Bless Mike. So, Juicy Lucy's a winner.